Hi everyone, it's Roy. It's about 7:15 in the evening, and I just thought I'd share with you what a grower does. And what we did today is we had to move our 2.5-inch plugs we bought from Creek Hill and North Creek and New Moon and Bluebird into this hut. We had to make room for the 15,000 plants we're potting up in 4-inch pots for the Peat Out-Off project. So we're going to hold them in here and heat them in the evening with kerosene heaters. That's my old one. That's my Jetachek heater. Jetachek is Bohemian for old man. That's my old man heater, which still works. And I've got a surprise for myself. I bought a new one. Today I got a Dynaflow, a new heater. Look at that. That's very exciting. And it's running very nicely. So we'll have the plants in here, and we put up curtains to make the hut smaller, to keep the heat in a more confined area. These plants will be in here till about May 10th. 15th, we'll pot them into quarts and gallons and do some pruning on them prior to potting. But I just thought you might be interested. It's not a romantic video, obviously. It's not exciting and very captivating, but it's what we do. Our daily work as a grower. We have to constantly make field adjustments to try to grow quality plants and have proper timing. And I'm actually laying on the 3/4 chip gravel we have here for good drainage. It's very relaxing for the moment just to think about the day. So I wanted to share this with you. It's the life of all the good perennial growers that are out there across the country, working hard to create quality plants for all of you to use in your garden design. So again, it's not romantic, but it's something we all love to do and share. I thought this would be nice for a little video. Thanks everybody. Have a good evening. Have a nice dinner. Take care of yourselves. Bye.